Okay, so today it's gonna be like a 1660. So when you're inside of a peak training or whatever it's called, so the theory is full piece 200. That's what you don't want to do. If you're wide open, do that or something if they're not like that. And here you go with peanut butter. Peanut butter. If you want like faster edits, yeah, you're not supposed to be missing a shot. Missing a shot. Go for it. So a little tip when you're trying to cook somebody, you need diagonal box sides. So I got some weird lines from the gold. Okay, so I can show you guys my sims. Well, it's because I'm top. Shut up!
No.
Shut up. Click timing. So this is click timing. This is Raider 464. Raider 464. I'm working on all of his maps. This is Mechanic C4 map, so here, let me just go to, you wanna see what I'm at by the window in it? See, you're wide open right here, but, yeah. For me, you don't want to use blue buttons. If you don't want to use all metals, which have optimal binds, we are using it. And for vacuum, we have and if you have a good resume, my resume is mechanics training, and the timing. I'd say that all that keep your edits close. Doesn't matter. Ready?
The aim's still trash.
Yeah. I never said I was. Well, how can I out-aim you, so, like, what does that mean?
Huh?
I can out-aim you? I've out-aimed you multiple times.
No, you haven't.
I have.
Impossible.
Even though you're PS4. Okay, so,
Don't make a player after the game.
that's for you, too. So, what else?
I'll aim it, man.
God damn.
Whenever you ever out aim it.
Multiple times.
And don't see, for example, Junior, he's kind of missing all the shots. I'm aiming now.
My aim sense is so
Turn up your aim.
No! Sorry, not
Why not build? Can't build right now. Crazy.
free build wars.
Spawn bot. You should spawn a bot. That's a lot of them. Oh yeah, and if you're really trying to get good at it,
Just
don't do too much. Don't do too much when you're trying to build.
if you're trying to become if you're trying to become a builder, then yeah.
Like Mr. Show Off the video right here.
What do you mean? Have you ever seen builds?
Don't always just show off when you're trying to build.
I was just showing off.
I don't know. They're all NPCs, bro. Bro, they're all NPCs. Chill.
What do you mean, chill?
They're all NPCs.
It's a free game.
Yeah, why are they shooting?
Because they're bots.
Nah, that's wild.
You guys want to get your...
Hey, disrespect to the bots out there.
So, here go... I don't have any tips to get your edits to be better. Just have edit timer. Go into the orange guys now. Fingers. Do you use edit on release?
Tip, always use edit on release.
No, if you're trying to have like good process. So if you're trying to do a peanut butter edit, then if you do edit, if you have edit on release on, you'd have to look up here, or else it would do this. But without edit on release, hold on, let me just turn it off. But always have it on reset. Oh snap, I forgot. But without edit on release, you can look over here and look for everything. I can play on both. If you want to know my edit on release button is, then it's don't try to copy and edit my buttons. They're bad. This is it. I'm turning that out release back on. And another trick, and I'm not really a trick, but you always want to have your shotgun at the first slot. SMG or AR second one.
Oh, no, don't.
Yes, that's how it is.
That's how it is for champion players. You're not a champion player, but...
No, this is how it is for controller players, so.
I guess alright.
I'm about to just end the video off of our free build.